Hello TV fam. So today is Sunday and another grocery session na kaming dalawa lang ni Joyce.
Parang may galit yung another grocery session.
Dumadalas ang
Kasi
ating
lumalakas. Dumadalas kasi lumalakas.
Dumadalas kumain.
Ng mga borders natin sa bahay. AKA mga anak.
Pupunta tayo ngayon sa superstore para mag-grocery. And then, sabi nga ni Joyce, i-update daw namin kayo sa aming
Real Estate Tuvalu.
yeah, Tuvalu. So, to date, no, madami pa ring listings and wala pa tayo nakukuhang solid na offer talaga sa ating property. May mga nag-review and napag-decidean nga namin na mag-relist. Yun yung suggestion nung parang pinaka-realtor natin para sa ganoon mas fresh, and then mag-schedule ulit ng another set of open house. So yun pala yung kailangan natin pag-usapan kung kailan yung next na gagawin nating open house, dahil marami na rin mga schedule, di ba?
Oo nga, kasi marami ng lakad.
Pero kailangan mabigyan na natin yung date, kasi yung date na yon isasama yon sa
Listing.
sa relisting. Di ba dito pupunta ba natin?
Hindi naman open house yun eh. Wala lang. Labas na ba tayo ng comment?
Sige.
Comments? Isa lang comment. Si nag-comment dun sa importante ba ang love language. Si JRNC fam, keep on vlogging.
Oy, shoutout sa'yo. Thank you for the comment and watching the video.
Tsaka si Turns TV, sabi niya, nagka-idea ako sa inyo, maregaluhan nga ng Nintendo Switch si Macy's ngayong Pasko.
Shoutout Turns.
Kasi para sa kanya yun.
Ako din actually natututo lang doon sa comment ni Isay.
Ay,
wala bang lumabas kung saan?
Yung drone. Si Andrea Judge, yung comment niya doon sa best drone para sa mga beginner, Hover Air X1 Pro Max.
Ayun.
Nice. Ito na yung inaabangan ko. Great shot, bro. Ganda.
Oy, thank
More
you.
drone shot. More power.
Thank you, Andrea Judge. Pero maggagawa tayo ng panibagong vlog. Update ko kayo kung ano yung mga naging experience natin dun sa bagong drone na kinuha natin. Tsaka ano yung mga naging challenges, kasi may mga challenges siya dahil nga bago kasi yung item, bago yung product actually.
Meron pa si Jeff or James. Great shots. Ang amazing ng features niyan, Sir John. And I agree, ganda ng quality. Curious din daw siya dun sa flaws niyan. Abangan ko yan on your next vlog.
Oy, thank you.
Sana
you,
magamit
Jeff or
nyo
James.
yan sa Japan. Can't wait to watch your Pinas in Japan vlogs.
Kami din, can't wait na makalipad na. Ay nako, madaming so much exciting things to look forward to. Thank you sa lahat ng mga nag-comment and thank you for watching our videos. Malaking bagay para sa channel namin, tsaka sa amin na nanonood kayo sa mga vlogs na nire-release namin sa YouTube.
O si Jerson, mag-happy birthday ka. Unang kaarawan sa Canada.
Happy birthday, Jerson! Happy birthday!
Nag-Christmas party kaya tayo mga nag-vlog dito. Yes! Nag-Christmas party.
Dapat nga mainggitahan natin sila sila
Isay, si Turns,
si Turns,
si Nardino.
Kahit hindi naman nag-vlog si Paulo Bihasa. Comment kayo dyan sa baba if free kayo, mag-schedule tayo ng get together, kahit na dinner lang somewhere. Let us know in the comment section.
Dinner saan? Sa Max? Jollibee.
Dinner sa Jollibee. Yung paborito ni Crystal. Anyway, mabilis ang grocery lang yung gagawin natin.
Oh?
Oo. Sana naman, no? Dahil nga later sasama namin kayo, meron kaming open house na pupuntahan. Malapit lang siya doon sa area namin. Hindi siya perfect na talagang gusto namin, pero in terms of priorities, nandun yung location, nandun yung size nung property, At saka nandun yung mga primary requirements namin, like yung number of bedrooms, yung parking space requirement, at saka location. Location is always the key. Para at least hindi mahirapan sila mami at daddy pag halimbawa ihahatid na nila si Clark sa school.
Shout out, mommy and daddy. Feeling kasi daddy.
Oo, siya naman parating malakad. Anyway, nandito na tayo sa Superstore. Magpa-park lang tayo and then magkita na lang tayo ulit sa loob. Tignan nyo yung Black Friday deals. Ayan, yan ang deals nila. Black Friday, iPhone 12, 14, 16, $9.99 per month, 18.38 per month. Kami, naghahanap kami ng bagong deal sa Line. Pero parang puro phone, as in literal phone deals. Hindi siya Line.
Hair color.
Oh yeah. Bili tayo ng lozenges. Medyo, alam mo na, iwas tayo sa sakit. Tayo ng lozenges. Fisherman's Friend. Ito yung usual na binibili ko eh. Kahit nung dati pa, nung nasa fieldwork pa ako sa Geek Squad, yan na yung ininom ko. Basta kumati lang yung lalamunan ko, yan na yun. And na-avoid naman yung pag-continue ng sakit natin sa lalamunan. Yung mga kati-kati sa lalamunan, tsaka sore throat, maganda yan. May nakakita ata 25% off. Parang familiar tong scenario na to. Ayan na. Ayan na po. Susukat na niya.
Medium eh.
Uy, maganda. Kasya sa'yo.
Hindi.
Zipper mo nga. 129. Paano ba? Papaswali ba? Upad mo na yan. May narinig akong ganong comment eh. Sige, done deal.
Wait, zipper ko lang.
Yan, maganda siya. Bagay siya sa pants mo. Walk ka doon. Walk ka pa doon. Okay. Face. Yon. Hindi ko papabalik sa'yo. Yan ang asan ang ngiting tagumpay.
Grabe ka naman.
Ngiting tagumpay, oh.
Kailan mabilisang grocery shop.
Okay. Tayo dito ng baunan. Oh, ito may air fryer din pala dito. Ay, nasa harapan mo kaso double. $9 yan per set.
Yeah.
Wala na silang masyadong electronics, no? Bakit dalawa lang yung nakita? Ah, nilipat sa gitna. Ako nga, no? Kuha muna tayo ng baunan. Baunan. Ito na lang siguro sa akin. Pwede na to. Baunan. Para maiba. Para pwedeng ma-microwave. Sa gitna, tignan natin yung appliances nila. Ito yung mga air fryer. 100. Ito. Naka-sale ba? Ayan o, air fryer. Ninja.
100?
Kaso, 5 quart. Mas maliit.
$100 siya lang?
Yeah. Pero 5 quart, hindi siya 6. Yan yung sinasabi mo, pwedeng maipasok sa dishwasher.
Yung natin yun nandito.
Sige. Ah, ito, nilipat na nila dito.
Yung kapan, multi-cooker.
Pangit yung multi-cooker.
Ito air fryer. Pero bakit ganun na dual duty?
Ayan, yan, hindi maganda eh. Kung magluto ka dito, yung oil, lilipat din doon. So, what's the point? 3.8. Ah, maliit to. Ang hinahanap namin, 5 point something liter. Ito, Vortex Slim.
Nasaan yan? Okay yung price yan.
110. Hindi ba ito yun? 6 quart. Ito nga yun. Pero parang mababa, no? Mahaba lang siya. Yung
comes with dishwasher, safe basket, and tray.
Yung Ninja kasi ganun eh. Ang advantage lang nung tinitignan nating yung tinitignan nating Philips, in terms of ingay, mas matahimik. Tahimik yung Philips compared dun sa Ninja. Yun yung parang pinaka review.
Bakit ito 169 dito?
Ata yun malaki? Ay hindi.
Hindi, yan yung
Oo nga, yan din eh.
Ayaw mo to.
Ayaw. Maliit. Kailangan yung malaki.
But ilang quart ba to?
4 lang ata to eh.
Large
4 in 1
capacity
kasi eh.
siya. 5 quart.
Yeah. So it's
Dapat
smaller.
ano ba?
6. Pagka ano, yung sa Best Buy na lang yung kunin natin. Sabi mo, okay na sa'yo yun. Wait lang. May nakita din ako dito eh. Ito, 97. Kaso maliit, 4 liters lang. Yung kagandahan nung Ninja pala, ceramic coating. Siya lang yung nakita kong ceramic coating, hindi siya yung non-stick. So mamimili ka kung ano mas preferred mo. Medyo nakadami na rin tayo. Halos punuan na yung ating cart. Bayad na tayo. Kita na lang tayo uli mamaya. Bayaran na muna natin tong grocery natin. Guess what? Nandito tayo ulit sa Best Buy. Kukunin lang natin yung air fryer na naka-sale para mapalitan na natin yung luma natin. Asa yung air fryer natin na Philips? Hindi yata siya naka-display. Tignan natin dito sa app. Yeah, it's just available in store. Oh no, naubos na. Wala na siya dito sa branch. Naunahan tayo. Hanap na lang tayo ng iba. So orderin na lang daw natin online. Kasi nga wala na siyang stock dito. Kaya mainam na ipa-deliver na lang. Ay ito. Meron pa. This is it. Let's take it. Yeah, this is it. Kunin na natin to. Yan. Andito na tayo sa open house. Medyo umuulan.
Please call us daw.
Call us?
The open door.
Tawagan ko. Hi, we're here for the open house. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Bababa na raw. Anyway, ito yung local, first floor unit. Yung current location namin, one block away. Doon lang, next street. Ayan yung entrance. Check natin. Tanong na rin siguro natin yung yung parking. Kung paano yung access going to the parking. Hello. Would you be able to show us the parking space before we go up?
Oh, I can do that.
Yeah, okay. While we're here.
Okay, I get the key. That goes direct to the garden.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the main thing on this unit is actually has a big patio.
Big patio, okay.
Outside.
So, parking, okay.
That's actually the entrance from where the stairs.
Okay.
So it's people who have issue with
Oh, there is a
walking.
ramp here?
Yeah.
Oh.
Perfect. Alright, parking. Yeah, access door. What is
Oh,
this?
garbage.
Oh, garbage room? Okay. Okay.
Oh, that too. Okay.
Okay.
That door over there, that's the locker.
That's the locker.
I
Okay.
don't have a key for the locker.
Yeah, no worries. So 30 and 31st?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Okay, the locker is there. Okay. Perfect. Thank you.
At the back on the left side.
Oh, okay. How do you access at the back? Is it
You have to go on Jones.
Jones? Okay. And then side street. Okay. How's the strata here? Are they active? or-
Yeah, very active.
Okay. Any upcoming levies or?
They did it already.
Okay, what was?
Let's go this way so I can show you.
Oh, okay.
Show you where you can come from.
Perfect.
A lot of senior lives here. They worry
Oh,
about.
this is their.
Oh.
Yeah, it's easier for you.
Oh yeah.
People worry about going up the stairs.
Yeah. Exactly. It's so
that's
steep.
the first thing.
Yeah. Okay.
Go around. Mail room over there.
Okay, so you go here. Wallpaper. Ito yung unit. Okay.
The best part is actually The patio. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the patio first.
Okay.
And then let you check out.
Okay.
Only about 8 units with this patio. Yeah. And all
1 bedroom here.
exactly.
Baseboard
And
heater.
it's over, I think 13. Yeah. Feature sheets right here if you need one.
Ceiling. The carpet's original?
Sorry?
The carpet is original?
I think at one time they changed it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It could be original.
How long has the current owner lived here?
He never lived here.
Oh, they never lived there.
He's an investment guy. He's investment.
So nobody's staying here right now?
No, it's vacant.
Oh, okay.
Fast possession. Like you give money tonight, move in tomorrow.
Okay. Do they have like a tight timeline or?
A timeline?
Yeah.
Just a number that we have to work out.
It's just a number, right?
Just a
Okay.
number game. Again, the main thing is the patio. It's only about 8 units with the patio is 400 square feet like that.
Okay. There's a leak here.
And probably they have some stain from the top part. We actually talked to Strata already. I think the balcony up there.
Oh, okay. The balcony.
Up there.
here. Okay.
It's all through Strata.
Okay.
Yeah. And what they
Are
did-
they gonna be fixing it
Yeah,
or?
of course they're gonna fix it.
Okay. So nobody has stayed here, eh?
No, nobody.
Okay. So you have. Okay. There's a spot for carburetor. Sinks original.
Yeah, new fridge. I think they
The
bought-
fridge is new.
Yeah, the-
Dishwasher is not working, I'm assuming?
I'm not sure about this dishwasher. I think that's original.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dishwasher, you can get one for $500, $1,000, something like that.
So essentially, you would have to set up a dining area here.
On the laundry is actually on the hallway on the right side.
Then this one?
You can open it. Yeah, no, on that.
Oh, here.
Oh. Let's take a look. Okay. Closet.
At least the common washroom is standing in the shower.
Oh, that's good. So how's the size of the bedroom? Okay.
It's decent.
Good size. Yeah, for the size, including. Oh, this is the master's.
Yeah, that's the master's.
Good size. A sprinkler.
Oh, yeah, good.
This requires a lot of work for the price. Okay, closet. Washroom. Original.
Yeah.
Well, at least decent yung tile work.
Yeah. Here, look at the laundry.
Yung ano din, I think the sink.
What sink? Kitchen sink?
Yeah. Oh, original pa rin. Washer and dryer. Like tagpi-tagpi. Kasi look, the outlet is black. Diba? Tapos dito naman floral. Pero ang kagandahan is walang tenant. Yeah, at least mataas yung ceiling. May leak lang doon sa may ano,
How about
sa living room.
They had a sprinkler leak.
Okay.
They replaced it. They might have some water stain
Yeah.
damage there.
Yeah,
They replaced the
Oh,
sprinkler.
actual sprinkler.
Yeah, I think they replaced it like 2 months ago.
2 months. Yeah, so you need to replace the flooring too.
Why? It's oh.
Yeah, it buckled. So, ang tingin nyo guys, okay ba? May potential ba?
Sa akin, not so.
Talaga? Oh, what's this? Beware of this guy. He stole just a parcel from our mailroom. May theft notice. May theft notice. Anyway, kapit ka lang, diba? It's steep. Medyo steep lang yung ano, yung parang pinaka-main niya. Pero good thing may parang access. Easy access. That's the unit. Pakita ko sa inyo. I think this, that's the unit.
Palit yung floor.
Magkano yung price?
938.
For that price, medyo that's steep. Para ang daming kailangan gawin. Parang mga 800 something. 880 siguro pwede nang patasin yan.
Kasi gagastos ka pa eh.
Yan, ang daming papalitan eh. Washer, dryer, carpet, flooring.
Dishwasher.
Lahat kasi
heads,
original eh.
Kitchen sink.
Yeah. Anyway, uwi na tayo and then mamaya na lang ulit.
City of mine, how I love never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city